Updating your payout destination on Epic Games is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and sign in using your account credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or two-factor authentication method associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once loaded in, click on your account name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Access payment information. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payments or Payouts section. Click on it to view your current payout destination and payment methods. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Select the option to edit or update your payout destination. Enter the new payment information as required, ensuring all details are accurate to avoid any issues with future payments. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payout destination, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification to verify that your payout destination has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Epic Games. Make sure to check your payment information regularly to keep it up to date.